Inside Mouse, Outside Mouse by Lindsay Barrett George. Inside my house, there is a mouse. Outside my house, there is a mouse. Who sleeps in a clock, who sleeps in a stump. The mouse ran down the wall, the mouse ran down the stump. Across the rug, across the ground. Under the table next to the cat, under the bush next to the hare. He ran up the chair, he ran up the wall. In front of the dog, in front of the squirrel. Into the can and out of the can, into the can and out of the can. He ran behind the book, he ran behind the bird. Between the socks, between the rocks. Below the spider and over the ball, below the spider and over the stone. He ran through the hole, he ran through the hole. Along the bat, along the hose. Around the flowers and stopped, around the flowers and stopped. To look outside my house, to look inside my house. Hello, hello. The end. Thank you for reading with me. Now we have a craft. We're going to be making pet rocks, and mine's going to be a mouse just like the ones in the book. Here's what you'll need. A stone, some felt, paint brushes, a pair of scissors, some googly eyes if you have them, a bit of glue, and a marker. The first thing you're going to do is paint your rock whatever color you want your pet to be. If you paint it white first, the color will show up better. Then take your felt and draw on the shape of the ear. If you fold the felt in half before cutting, you can make sure your pieces will be the same shape and size. Now put a little bit of glue at the bottom and pinch it. This will make the ear shape. For the tail, glue 2 strips of felt together and cut it into a tail shape. Now we're going to glue the ears on. Decide where you want them to go and trim them if you need to. Now the tail. When the glue and the paint is dry, you can do the face. If you have googly eyes, you can glue them on now, or use buttons or draw them on. Then it's time for the nose, mouth, and whiskers. Markers might be easier to use than paint. My mouse is pretty simple, but you can make your rock pet look however you want. I'm also going to paint the belly white and make the ears a little pink. And here's the finished pet rock. I hope you had fun. I'm sure your creature looks great. I'll see you next time. Bye!